Hey there families, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing new platform where you can earn some extra cash just by being active online. It's called Lollipop. Imagine combining the fun of TikTok with the chance to make money. Sounds great, right? Well, that's exactly what Lollipop offers. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. Trust me, it's super simple and you'll be up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to download the app. This is the gateway to all the fun and earnings. Just click on the link in the description below and it'll take you straight to the download page. It's quick and easy. You've got it downloaded, it's time to create your account. This is where the fun begins. You have 3 options for signing up: Google Gmail, Telegram, or email. Each method is straightforward, so choose what works best for you. I recommend using Google Gmail because it's the quickest and simplest way to get set up. Plus, it's super secure. Next, you'll need to choose your gender. This helps personalize your experience on the app. Whether you're male or female, just select your option, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Now here's where it gets exciting. Welcome to the Lollipop world. This is your new playground for fun and earnings. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see 4 buttons. Each one opens up a different feature of the app. The first one is the Live Center. This is where you can interact with others in real time. To get started here, you'll need to complete your profile and do a face authentication. This ensures a secure and personalized experience. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just click the contact button and then hit auth. And boom, you're in. It's as easy as taking a selfie. Now let's talk about how to make money with Lollipop. This is the part you've been waiting for. There are several ways to earn. Each method is designed to be fun and engaging. 1. Complete tasks that the app offers. These tasks are simple and can be done in your spare time. 2. Invite your friends to join. The more the merrier. For every friend you invite, you get $1.50 or 15,000 points. That's pretty awesome, right? It's a great way to boost your earnings quickly. You can also maximize your rewards by upgrading your level. Higher levels mean more opportunities and bigger rewards. And if you really want to go all in, you can join an agency. Agencies offer additional perks and support. Just use the code 97656 when you sign up for even more rewards. It's like a little bonus for being part of the community. Once you've earned your points or cash, withdrawing your money is a breeze. No complicated processes here. You can use Telebir, the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, or even Binance to get your money out. Simple and straightforward. Choose the method that works best for you. So there you have it. Lollipop is an exciting new platform that's easy to use and offers plenty of opportunities to earn some extra cash. If you've enjoyed TikTok, you're going to love Lollipop. It's like TikTok, but with the added benefit of earning money. Get in early and start making those rewards. The sooner you start, the more you can earn. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Download the app and start your journey today. Don't forget to click the link in the description to download the app and get started. It's just a click away. Thanks for watching and happy earning. Your journey to extra cash starts now. See you in the next video. Take care and happy earning.